Good Wednesday morning, and thanks for checking out your Mr. Quik forecast. We have heavy rain across central Indiana this morning. We've already seen over an inch of rain, and we have another round of heavy rain getting ready to work in here through the mid-morning hours. So watch for flooding. We have a flood watch and a flood advisory. This flood advisory is for the heavy rain that we have picked up in a very short time this morning, which has caused some flash flooding. There are some roads underwater and just a lot of ponding, so really you just want to take it slow, take it easy out there as you head out this morning. And we have the flood watch, which goes through tomorrow night for more heavy rain that will be expected across the area. So here's that look at the 7-day forecast. Heavy rain this morning. We'll catch a break this afternoon, but then we'll see more rain return after sunset. And as we go into tonight, we could see a few thunderstorms, some pockets of heavy rain, and then some thunderstorms and heavy rain for Thursday out there. And we could even see a few stronger storms with some gusty winds tomorrow. And as we go into Friday and Saturday, thankfully we will start to dry things out. But again, the rain this morning will be very heavy at times through about 9 or 10 o'clock. And then we should see some drier air working in this afternoon. I still think we could see some pockets of drizzle and some fog, but at least we'll see the heavy rains coming to an end for a time. But as we go into tonight, after sunset, we'll see rain return. Rain will be heavy at times overnight, and there will be a few rumbles of thunder, I think, especially as we go into tomorrow morning around this time. Could even be looking at some thunderstorms out there. And more heavy rain of 1 to 2 inches widespread, but locally there could still be pockets of 2 to 3 inches of additional rain on top of what's already fallen. So that clearly is a concern for more flooding. And then once we get past tomorrow, we do look forward to sunny skies Friday and Saturday, but a huge drop in temperatures. We're going to drop about 45 degrees from Thursday afternoon to Friday morning, and then highs Friday barely get to the low 20s. The weekend, Saturday's going to be great with sunshine, cold conditions. And as we go into Sunday, we'll see our next system working in. It looks like we could see some light snow and some light rain Sunday afternoon. Temperatures in the mid-30s, and then early next week, kind of an active pattern returning here. A couple chances for a wintry mix. Temperatures just above normal as we go into the early part of next week. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a great day.